Welcome to EasyTube Profits. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 AI tools that can significantly speed up your YouTube video creation process. If you're a content creator looking to streamline your workflow and produce high-quality videos more efficiently, you're in the right place. With advancements in AI, there are now powerful tools available to assist with everything from scripting to video production. These tools are designed to save you time, enhance your content, and ultimately help you grow your channel. Let's explore these top 5 AI tools that will transform the way you create YouTube videos. Hey guys, Henry here from EasyTube Profits. We're dedicated to helping you make money on YouTube, even before you're monetized. We share tips and tricks, do review videos, and explore different strategies to boost your earnings. If that sounds interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's get started. 1. ChatGPT for scripting. First up is ChatGPT, an AI tool that is a game changer for scripting your videos. Writing scripts can be time-consuming, especially if you're aiming for well-structured and engaging content. ChatGPT simplifies this process by generating comprehensive and compelling scripts based on your input. To get started, provide ChatGPT with some basic information about your video topic and key points you want to cover. The AI will then create a script that includes an introduction, main content, and a conclusion. You can use ChatGPT for various types of content, including tutorials, product reviews, and educational videos. The tool can also help with brainstorming ideas and creating outlines, which is especially useful if you're starting from scratch. If you need a specific tone or style, ChatGPT can adapt its writing to fit your requirements, whether you want a formal tone or a more conversational approach. Moreover, you can refine and edit the generated script to better match your voice or to add any personal touches. By using ChatGPT, you can significantly cut down on the time you spend writing scripts, allowing you to focus more on creating great content. 2. Pictory for video creation. Next on our list is Pictory, an AI tool designed to streamline the transition from script to video. Once you have your script ready, Pictory helps you turn it into a polished video by automating many of the production tasks. Upload your script to Pictory, and it will generate a video using a range of templates and stock footage. You can customize your video with text overlays, transitions, and background music to enhance its visual and auditory appeal. Pictory's automation features include syncing visuals with your script and adjusting the video pacing to match your content's flow. The platform is user-friendly, making it accessible even if you don't have advanced video editing skills. Using Pictory, you can quickly create high-quality videos from your scripts, saving you time and effort in the video production process. Number 3. InVideo AI for script and video production. InVideo AI is another powerful tool that integrates both scripting and video production. With InVideo AI, you can generate a 10-minute script for free once per week. This feature is particularly beneficial if you need to produce content regularly but want to save time on scripting. After generating your script, InVideo AI helps you transform it into a full video. The platform provides various templates and customization options to suit your needs. You can add visuals, text, and music to your video, and InVideo AI offers tools for adjusting and refining your content. Keep in mind that the free version of InVideo AI includes watermarks, but it's a great option if you're working with a limited budget. InVideo AI is designed to simplify the video creation process, making it easier to produce professional quality content without extensive editing experience. By using InVideo AI, you can streamline your workflow and ensure that your videos are engaging and high quality. 4. Dolly 3.0 for image creation. Visuals play a crucial role in engaging your audience, and Dolly 3.0 is an AI tool that can help you create unique and eye-catching images. Dolly 3.0 generates images based on textual descriptions, allowing you to create visuals that align perfectly with your video content. Whether you need custom thumbnails, graphics, or background images, Dolly 3.0 can produce high-quality visuals tailored to your specifications. The ability to generate images from text means you can create original visuals that stand out and enhance the overall look of your videos. Dolly 3.0 also offers a high degree of customization, enabling you to generate images that fit your channel's aesthetic and branding. By incorporating Dolly 3.0 into your content creation process, you can enhance your video's visual appeal and attract more viewers. 5. TTS Open AI for voiceovers. Lastly, TTS Open AI is an excellent tool for generating professional quality voiceovers for your videos. If recording your own voice or hiring a voice actor is not feasible, TTS Open AI offers a reliable alternative. This AI tool provides advanced text-to-speech capabilities, producing natural-sounding voiceovers that enhance the quality of your content. You can choose from a variety of voices and accents to find the one that best suits your video's tone and style. TTS Open AI ensures that your voiceovers are clear and professional, contributing to the overall quality of your videos. Using TTS Open AI, you can save time and maintain consistency in your voiceovers, making your content more engaging and polished. Summary. To sum up, these top 5 AI tools are designed to speed up your YouTube video creation process and help you produce high-quality content more efficiently. ChatGPT streamlines scripting, allowing you to generate well-structured and engaging scripts quickly. Pictory simplifies the video creation process by automating many tasks and providing tools for customization and enhancement. InVideo AI combines scripting and video production, offering a free weekly script option and various customization features. Dolly 3.0 helps you create unique and visually appealing images that enhance your video's look. TTS Open AI delivers professional quality voiceovers, adding a polished touch to your content. By integrating these AI tools into your workflow, you can improve your content creation process, save time, and focus on growing your channel and engaging with your audience. If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not share? And also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Just so you know, on the top left-hand side of the screen, you will see a video that I believe you might like. Below that is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And if you look on the right side of the screen, you'll see an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.